Hello, this is Mr. Lambright. I'm here to explain all of the things that happened in Foundations of Social Studies on September 9th. If you missed class or if you're just looking for a review of what we did today, I'm going to break down the 3 assignments you have for your asynchronous time to do between today and Friday. The 3 tasks are listed as assignments over here on the right-hand side of the main Schoology page. The first assignment is to send an email from your Outlook. You can access your Outlook by going to the Seattle Public Schools homepage, going to the Students tab, and going down to Office 365. You'll sign into Office 365 with the same district login you use for just about everything. Once you've logged in, you should get a screen that looks something similar to this. You may not have all of these options. Remember, I'm on a teacher account, but you will have Outlook. When you click on Outlook, that'll take you to your email. From that email, I want you to send an email to me, Mr. Lambright, which I'm now realizing my email isn't in here. So I'll add it in the comments. Your next assignment was to sign up for remind.com. This one is pretty straightforward. With your phone, all you need to do is text the number 81010, that's 81010, with your class code. Now, I want to be careful. I'm making this video in the second period page. If you're not in second period, do not use this code. Go to the sign up for remind assignment in your class page on Schoology and use the code there. Do not use this code unless you are in second period. The third assignment is to access your OneNote and respond to the journal prompt that I put in there. You can do this by going over to Materials, scrolling down, and clicking on the OneNote class notebook. If you want more distinct, detailed instructions on how to do that, I've made a separate video in the assignment page so you can follow along. We did this on the first day as well, so if you did this already, you might not have to do it again. But to access the OneNote, regardless of whether you've done it or not, you'll click here and either press sign in if it's your first time, like this, or possibly if it's your second time. Either way, you'll sign in here and that'll take you to the OneNote. It won't look like this. It should just take you straight to the OneNote page. That hopefully will look like this. You'll see something that looks similar to this. Now, I have access as the teacher to all of your names here. You won't necessarily have that. In fact, you won't have it. But you will have access to these 5 tabs. Now, OneNote is going to operate in this class kind of like all the handouts, the physical handouts I would give you, the pieces of paper that I'd be giving you in the classroom. This OneNote will act kind of like your binder, where you would keep all of those physical papers. So this welcome piece is kind of just a how to use the program. You can ignore it if you'd like. In fact, if you don't want to see it at all, you can right-click on it. And, well, mine doesn't show it, but you can press hide. In here, you'll find class notes where I'll post guided notes, graphic organizers, or other things that I might find useful for you to take notes. This is an example page I made as part of the tutorial. In here, you won't be able to edit the notes, but if you want to add your own notes or take the guided notes, what you'll do is you'll copy and paste everything out of this tab and go to your personal folder. In each of your personal folders, I'm going to use Jack's as an example, you'll find your own tabs. Under these tabs, you can go to your own class notes page and you'll be able to paste those notes from the class notes tab for the whole class into your own piece. Oh, I didn't copy and paste. We go to class notes, copy, you can go to your own notes and paste. And then you'll have them in here and you'll be able to edit or do whatever you'd like. I'm going to remove these from Jack's so it doesn't get confusing. The same goes for readings. I'll post the full text of readings in here, so you'll be able to copy and paste them into your readings notes, and you'll be able to highlight, edit, or add notes as you'd like. Your assignment for today is to go into the journal, where I've put a reflection prompt. In here, you'll find the directions, again, to copy and paste this prompt